Oh no, no, no.
Getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss any of my videos. So I received a new hair from Vichy, not Vitry, Vichy. So here, I don't know if you can see, it comes with two cap like this, and one rubber band to, like, if it's too loose, and it comes with these cute eyelashes. Really, the eyelashes is cute. It didn't look like rubber eyelashes. You see, yeah, it's plastic eyelashes. So it comes like, it's 40 inches. The cap is a medium cap. I have to send them message. I tell them the kind of cap I'm looking for. I don't need big. Without, even though I don't put the elastic band like for the back side, it doesn't matter. It's very tight to my hair. So what I will just do, I will just pull this place, the rubber that is inside, I will bring it closer to each other. Like that, it will be more like tight, like I use elastic. It's more smaller. It's very small. I just have to pull it down here. If I'm looking this side, I'm looking on the mirror to see how it look like. I think because of here is too long, I can't really see it. I have to cut a little bit out before trimming it. Because it's covering my face. So what I will just do, I will just, it's already bleached, I will just apply powder. So I will just put a little pump of foundation. I just blend it inside. Then I will clip the back side down. Why I like this wig is that it's not, the lace wig cap is long up here. It's not up to my ear that I have to come and be trimming. It's difficult to trim, and the rubber is very close. I just have to trim only this side, and this side is lap. Everything is just lap, like exactly like my hair skull size. I love that. I'll be using Got to Be. Sorry if I'm looking down here, I'm looking at mirror to see what I'm doing. So I will be using cutting, or you can use scissors to cut it. Anyone, you can use scissors to cut it. Maybe I can use scissors, I can use this one, but this one you have to be careful not to cut your forehead when you are cutting it like this. But I think I prefer using scissors.
set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
I will use styling more.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat.
I'm done with my makeup. I will use styling more to bring it back, the coils, and I will use water and condition. I mix it, then it will be more like soft, because if I use styling more, I'm going to use a lot of styling more. This one will help me, because the video I do when I finish the wig, this one is second time I'm using this wig now. This one make it second time. I don't know what happened to the camera, if the camera stopped working. I didn't even notice, so I can't find that part of it, because I was stopping it to check if it's recording. My mind is that I was recording, whereas I'm not recording myself. So I just installed the wig again to finish the look, because the finished look was the part that was missing. This is how the hair look, applying styling more and leave-in condition. The hair is really lovely. You can use it for center part, side part, C part, anyone you just feel like you want to turn the hair to, you can just do it. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching.